I recently came across X-All Cleaner being advertised as a revolutionary multi-purpose cleaning solution that dissolves grease, lifts stains, and makes surfaces look brand new with just a few sprays. The ads show dramatic before and after shots, greasy ovens, stained tiles, and rusty surfaces transforming instantly. It sounds like the kind of product that could simplify your whole cleaning routine, right? It sounded too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. Let me start with what the company says. X-All is marketed as an all-purpose cleaner that comes in convenient tablet form. You drop one tablet into warm water, let it dissolve, and you've got a multi-surface cleaning solution. The formula includes sodium percarbonate, which releases oxygen to help break down grime, along with plant-based surfactants and enzymes. The brand positions itself as a streamlined alternative to having multiple specialized cleaners under your sink. It's supposed to handle grease, soap scum, food stains, and grime on countertops, stovetops, tile, and even some fabrics. But when I started looking into the details and actually testing the product, several things didn't line up. The marketing footage is impressive. The before and after shots look like magic. But the company's website and ads lean heavily into dramatic transformations that don't seem to match what real users experience. According to Trustpilot, the product has a mixed reputation. Some reviewers praise the customer service, but many express significant disagreement regarding the product's effectiveness and quality. The cleaner contains sodium percarbonate, which is an oxygen-based bleaching agent. When dissolved in warm water, it releases hydrogen peroxide, which helps break down organic stains. It also uses plant-based surfactants to lift dirt. In theory, this works well for light to moderate messes. But here's the key problem. Oxygen bleach is not designed to dissolve heavy rust or baked-on grease. Rust is an oxidation reaction on metal surfaces. It's essentially corrosion. Oxygen bleach can't chemically reverse that process. That's why in my testing, the solution was powerless against rust stains, just as the reviewer described. The same goes for baked-on stains. They require time, heat, or abrasion to break down, not just a surface spray. Let me walk you through my actual test results. Test 1. Bathroom tile with rust. I sprayed the solution and let it sit for several minutes. Result: basically no difference. The rust stain remained untouched. Test 2. Electric stove with grease and burned-on stains. Here, the cleaner showed better results. It removed surface grease and oil effectively. But the baked-on stains? Some of them remained untouched. Test 3. Stainless steel shower with rust. Again, the solution was powerless. Rust is simply not what this product is designed to handle. This pattern matches what other users report. Some reviewers on Walmart rated it 1 out of 5 stars, with comments like, "This product is for suckers only," and "does not work as advertised." Others say it's fine for light grime but not for tough messes. The company hasn't published specific percentage claims about effectiveness. That's actually better than some supplement companies that invent fake statistics. But the Trustpilot reviews tell a clear story. The overall rating is just 3.2 out of 5, and customers frequently complain that the product did not perform as promised and is expensive and not worth the cost. One reviewer wrote, "It was advertised as an effective oven cleaner." Well, it isn't. It isn't effective much more than a good quality dish soap. Another said, "Just threw away $30 on this worthless product. It cleans absolutely nothing." X-All follows a pattern I've seen before. A product with flashy social media ads, dramatic before and after footage, and a miracle positioning. The company sells through its own website and third-party marketplaces like Walmart and eBay. This isn't a unique product. It's a cleaning tablet using a well-known chemistry approach, sodium percarbonate, wrapped in modern branding. Interestingly, the Trustpilot reviews also reveal complaints about hidden subscriptions, customers being charged monthly for recurring orders they didn't realize they'd signed up for. Some users report having to pay for return shipping on products that didn't work. The customer service experience seems inconsistent. Some users report helpful interactions with representatives who helped resolve ordering issues. But others describe it as a nightmare. Buyer beware, did not work as advertised. They overbilled me for 4 orders and a monthly subscription that I did not order. I called customer service and was told I had to pay them to return products. Returning the product can be tricky. One reviewer mentioned that returning the item required paying for shipping, making the refund impractical. And with products shipped from overseas, duties and fees can add to the cost. Outside the website, the reviews are mixed but lean negative. On Walmart, many reviews are 1 or 2 stars. On Trustpilot, there's significant disagreement. Some customers like it, but many describe it as ineffective and overpriced. There are positive reviews too. Some users say it worked better than anything else I have used and cuts grease and everyday grime faster than my regular all-purpose spray. But the pattern is clear. It works well for light cleaning, but it doesn't deliver the miracle results promised in the ads. So, is X-All Cleaner a scam? In my opinion, it's not a scam in the sense of being a fraudulent product, but it's severely overhyped and doesn't deliver what the marketing promises. The product is real, it has legitimate ingredients, and it can be effective for light to moderate cleaning tasks. But the marketing videos showing it effortlessly dissolve baked on grime and rust? Those are exaggerated. If you buy this expecting a miracle, you will be disappointed. If you want a decent multi-purpose cleaner for everyday messes, it might work, but there are cheaper options that do the same thing. My recommendation: manage your expectations, read the negative reviews carefully, and be very cautious about the subscription model. Have you tried X-All Cleaner or a similar product? Drop your experience in the comments below. I read every one. And if you found this research helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.